You're watching WPEC News 12, CBS.
If you have back problems, that pain may not be coming from your back. It may be starting in your feet.
Only one local doctor uses a special type of device that will relieve the pain from the ground up. News 12's Rick Blackwell shows us how this concept works to make sure everyone who is active can stay active.
Joey Mishaeen moved to South Florida to play golf with green courses and year-round sunshine. Can you blame him? But something was really taking away from his game.
And I'm a golfer. I play golf 3 or 4 times a week, and the pain was really getting to me.
Intense pain starting in his heel, up his leg, all the way to his hip.
But the pain, takes the fun away of doing something that you love to do.
Lucky for Joey, he played golf with a retired podiatrist.
And he said, go to a podiatrist, you're going to need orthotics.
And even luckier for Joey, who he looked up in the yellow pages, happened to be Dr. Mark Klein, a podiatrist in Boca Raton.
Unfortunately, the general public is not aware so many times that their back problems could be related to their feet.
Dr. Klein uses a special orthotic he says no other doctor in our area uses. He measured Joey's feet. The device is based on weight and foot flexibility and made with a foam material instead of hard plastic. This allows the foot to have full contact with the shoe. Since we spend much of our life standing up, that helps correct back problems as well as knee and hip problems.
His foot would have to collapse down to this plate before it's ever getting any help. Whereas there, he's getting it as soon as it hits.
The device snaps right into your shoe. It starts working in as soon as 2 weeks. Good for golfers like Joey, waiting to get back on the green, and anyone else of any age.
For me to be in that much pain for the rest of my life, I would say priceless. It's like the MasterCard commercial, an orthotic, priceless.
Rick Blackwell, WPEC News 12.
Now, these orthotics run about $540 and are usually not covered by insurance. Candidates for this treatment, athletes, including golfers like Joey, as well as runners and tennis players.